Coming up on the second waterfall here at the Lost Waterfalls Trail. Pretty epic. 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 Wow. I don't know if I'm going to get in or not. It's pretty damn cold. But I think I might. Whoa. Pretty amazing. That is cold. I don't know if I want to get in. Wow. Wow. Maybe I can get out to the top of that one too. Look, there's a cave. Oh shit. Should I go in the cave? I think I should. Let's go in the cave. Cave time. Cave time. Might be a bear in there. Oh man, I gotta walk through the water to get to the cave though. Shit. I don't want to get my feet wet. Wow, I don't think it's a deep cave though. Maybe I can get around there without getting my feet wet. Doesn't look like it. Huh. Okay, I'm going in the cave, guys. And take my shoes off. Get wet. Get wet. Let's get wet again. Alright. Okay. I'll stash my shoes somewhere. I want somebody to walk off with them. Never know. Never know. Fuck it, I'll just carry my shoes. Alright, here we go. Brr, brr. Cold. Cold. Hiya. Okay. That cave's just begging to go in. You gotta check it out, right? Right? Holy shit. Well, that's the waterfall, fellas. Wow. Oh shit. Okay, it's not a deep cave. This is it. Damn graffiti artist in the cave. Ah, it's like quartz in the wall. Maybe. This is it for the cave. This hike is amazing. Shit. Woo! Yeah, I'm not swimming. No, don't want to swim. Maybe at the third waterfall, we'll see. What a monster! Monster! Okay, on to the third waterfall.